Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to divide both sides by dy. Negative number 4 multiplied by x and y to the power of 6. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by y. Now, we have x and first derivative of x. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y. That is about e to the power of the integration. We have negative 4y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. So we have negative number 4 f and y after we do this integration. And then I will put negative number 4 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have y to the power of negative number 4. And we have 1 over y to the power of 4. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, that is about s over y to the power of 4. This one we have y squared over number 2, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.